Learning about clocks and how to tell time this week. So here is a picture of an analog clock. This is a clock that has hands. This picture does not have hands on it, but we are going to learn about the big hand and the little hand on the clock. So I have a little clock that we use when we go camping, and you can see, don't look at the red and yellow hand. I want you just to look at the black hands. There's a shorter black hand and there's a longer black hand. So how do we know which hand goes first? Well, I'm going to help you out with that. So here we go. I'm going to hand the camera over to Natalie. Here you go, Natalie. Stay right over there. So Brady's watching TV and I'm going to come and maybe watch with him. Uh-oh, he's really tall. He can't go first. I have to go first. So now I can see and he can see. So here's what you have to remember. The little hand, I'm the little hand, I always go first. He is the big hand, he is the behind the little hand. So here's what we're going to do. Thanks, Brady, for your help. If you look at this clock, the big hand is pointing to the 12. We can't start there. We have to start with the little hand. The little hand is pointing to the 4, right? 4, and when it's pointing to the 12, we say, oh, clock. This time says 4, oh, clock. Natalie, can you hold the camera for me? Okay, remember the little hand always comes first. You have to let the shorter people go first, so. Oh, I'm pushing the wrong one. So here we go. Time's moving. Wrong way though. Okay, here it comes back around to the 12. Who can tell me what time this is? Remember, little hand comes first. It is 6 o'clock. When the hand is pointing to the 12, the big hand points to the 12, it's o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay, a couple more. It's kind of a short little math lesson, but telling time is fun. Okay, tell me what time it is now. Remember, little hand comes first. 9 o'clock. Couple more, here we go. We're only doing o'clock. This one's a little tricky. Look at that, they're both on the 12. So that must mean it's, what time? 12 o'clock. Okay. What time is it now? 2 o'clock. Ellie, you gotta stay still. Okay, who can tell me the time now? I hope you told me it's 4 o'clock. And here's your last one. Here we go. What is it? 7 o'clock. Nice job. So thank you for telling time with me today. I hope you remember the big hand does not come first. We always start with the little hand because little guys come first. Okay, here is a clock. And if you want to practice a little bit more, you can draw a clock just like this on a plain piece of paper and maybe write down some times. I hope you had fun. Thank you for learning some time with me today. Miss you. Love you. Bye.